We got a 2004 PT Cruiser. The customer's complaint was the cooling fan keeps cutting on and cutting off, real slow speeds. So I pulled a diagnostic diagram on it, and if you look right here, you're going to see that there's your computer. He has two relays, a low speed relay and a high speed relay. Alright, when you turn the AC on, or the fan's supposed to cut on, it sends a ground signal from the computer to the relay. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken the computer, I pulled the wiring harness back, and you'll see right here that on the high-speed relay it's a dark blue and pink. So I pulled the fuse panel up. What I've done, pull the fuse panel up, went back here, and I back probed the dark blue and pink wire, and I put a test light on it. There are two ways you can do this. You can either cut the vehicle on, AC on, and watch for a ground signal, or I have a snap-on scanner, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to select high-speed fan relay. And I'm going to cut the relay on by clicking right here. If you go back over here and look, it ceased receiving a ground signal, but it's cutting on and cutting off. So the computer is not letting the ground signal stay on. So probably going to replace the ECM, which is right here. And then we run the test, and that light should stay on constantly. It should not blink off and on. We've installed the new computer. Once we do that, we're going to fill it full of water, make sure it's topped off. If you look right down there, there's a bleeder valve. You need to make sure that you loosen that up when you're filling it up. You're going to use a 10mm socket to open the bleeder valve. You're going to continue filling the filler neck until it comes out of the bleeder valve. You'll continue to pour. Once it starts to come out of the bleeder valve on a nice steady stream, your system is full. The car reads operating temperature, cooling fan kicks on, system's working great.